Hey guys, it's Trey here, and today I'm going to be speaking to you just a bit about exactly what are the necessary requirements in order for you to invest using Franc. So, who can invest with Franc? Franc is an easy to use investing platform that has been made available to members of all ages. Both members in South Africa and members now living in South Africa but not originally from here are able to invest using the Franc platform. For South African investors, simply all you would need is a valid South African ID card or booklet. For non-South African investors, in this instance, you would need a proof of residency within South Africa as well as a South African bank account. And that's about it. If you are over the ages of 18, you're obviously legally allowed to invest on your own terms. And for those individuals that are under the age of 18, you would just in this instance need to invest using or through a parent or guardian. If this is your situation, simply all you would need to do is send an email through to the team at Franc, making them aware of your situation, and they will take the necessary steps from there. I hope this helps, and happy investing.